Hi everybody. I wanted to show you, remember I was telling you about the picture that I said if we just color them in on a piece of paper? So this is kind of what I messed around with. I just took my, my marker pen, any pen. I used this one here, which is a Staedtler fine liner pen. And then of course, you have your, this is well, there's both Staedtlers, I guess. I have a Copic marker too, but they're all just kind of a thin, fine line. This is my Copic marker. I just took these little things and I just drew some little, just scribbles, different little designs. And then I just had fun with my colored pencils and just did some cool shading techniques, I would just try my purples out and then, my black and white and then do some blues. I just was watching TV and I was just doodling and relaxing, and I thought, God, this is just so cool because you can make a whole piece of art. And I'm actually going to frame this because it's just so bright, and it's just on a piece of 8.5 by 11. I just had some cardstock lying around. I just printed it out and I cut it to fit an 8.5 by 11 or an 8 by 10 frame, so I'll put it in an 8 by 10 frame. But look at how cool. I mean, these designs, they're so easy. You think it looks like it's hard, you guys, but it's not. It's really easy. You just doodle, and there's actually patterns that I could show you, different kinds of patterns that are easy to do but look complicated, but they're really fun to shade in, fun to color, fun to do. So I think I might just do a couple more of these. I can actually make coloring pages. I'll make some of these just in black and white so that you guys can color them in if you want. It's pretty fun to do. But it's fun to draw. So I think if you guys want me to make some more of these videos, if you guys dig this, let me know. I dig it. I just need to know if my followers like this kind of stuff. So let me know. I'll do more. Okay? I like to see your comments and suggestions and stuff. That's the only way I'm going to know what you guys like. Okay? Thanks. Ciao. I'll see you later. This is really fun. I want to do another one now. I'm like addicted. It's so fun.